In a quaint village, whispers of a mystical phenomenon spread. Locals claimed that the ancient oak tree could hear their secrets. Scientists arrived, intrigued by the legend. They discovered that the tree's roots intertwined with a network of underground tunnels, amplifying sounds. As they delved deeper, they found an ancient device resembling a giant ear buried beneath the roots. It was a relic from a forgotten civilization, designed to detect sound waves. The twist? The device was still active, recording every sound. The village's secrets were never safe. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.